myself Karthik TS. Let us start session 5 in Python programming language. In session 5, I am going to explain Python casting and Python string. What is Python casting? Python casting is a process of converting one data type into another data type. The Python supports 4 types of casting. The first is int to float conversion. The second is float to int conversion. The third is int to string conversion. And the fourth is string to int conversion. Let us learn and casting to examples. The first and foremost conversion is we can convert an integer to float type. Create a variable x by assigning the value integer to the float constructor. Now x will be converted into the float type 10.0. The second casting is converting float to integer. Create a variable y by assigning the float value for the integer constructor. Now y will be storing the value 15. That is 0.2 will be truncated from the float 15.2 and made as an integer to the variable y. We can create casting from integer to string data type. Now create a variable z and pass the integer value for the string constructor 28, and now you can print the value of a z and it prints 28, and you can also see the data type set for the variable z using a type function. We have to use print function. The type you can use as the variable name. Now you can see the casted integer to the string data type. Now we can also convert string to integer. Now create a variable a equal to, use the integer constructor, pass the string value within the double quotes. Now the variable a will be converted string value into integer, and you can use a print function and pass the name of a variable a, and you can see the value printed is a, and you can also check its type. That is, it is set to the integer value. So this is how Python supports data type casting between one or more data types. Next concept is Python string. Python allows us to create a string. To create a string in Python, we have to use either double quotes or a single quote. So both the options are available in Python language. We can create a string either using a single quote or double quote. Now the string data type is created, and you can print the value by using the name of a variable. Now you can see str storing the value welcome as a string. You can also create a string using a double quotes in a Python, and you can use the print function, print the string value of str1 variable. The Python supports multi-line string, where you can write the string in multiple lines and you can assign this multiple line string to a variable. This facility is provided using single triple quotes or 3 times double quotes. Now we can create a string using triple quotes, and you can write the content in multi-lines like welcome to CS class, and you have to close the triple quote. Now string multi-line is created, and you can print the content of the string 2. It shows as you feeded the data multi-line string, it is stored as it is. The multi-line string can also be created using a single triple quotes. Welcome to CS class, and close single triple quote. Now multi-line string is created, and you can see the multi-line string using the print function. So this is how Python supports multi-line string. The Python also supports string array. Whenever we create a string variable, it considered as a inbuilt array. For example, let us create a string hello Python. Now to extract the value of a string one by one, you can use a pair of square bracket and pass the index value. As we know, array starts from the 0 index up to n-1 value. Now if I want to extract the first value of a string h, I have to pass index 0, and it shows the value h occurring in the index 0. Same way, if I want to find the letter stored in a string, a given index 3, pass the index 3. Now you can see L is a value stored in index 3. So this is how string array can be done. You can extract the multiple letters using the concept of string array. The Python supports string length. You can find the length of a string by using a length function. Use the length function and a print function and pass the name of a string is str1, and you can see the length of a string is 7 for the word welcome. Next you have string check. The Python allows you to find the existence of a word in a given string using a string check. This is a unique feature supported in a Python language. And to check the string, first and foremost, we have to create a string and now use the print function, and whichever the word you want to search it, enclose in a double quotes, use the word in from the given variable. Now in case octal exists in the text, it shows a true, and if the word you want to search if does not exist in a text, it shows the false value. This is how you can check the existence of the word in a given string. Python supports string slicing. So what is string slicing? String slicing is a process of extracting the substring from the main string. So Python supports 3 ways of slicing a string. Let us learn one by one. For example, you want to extract the substring. First you have to create a text, is a string, and now use the print function, and with the help of the square braces, here we have to specify the beginning and ending index to extract the substring. I'll use beginning index as 4 separated by colon and the ending index. You pass the beginning and ending index with the help of a square bracket. Now you can extract from the 4th index to the 7th index, that is OME. The second way of extracting the substring using slicing is to extract substring from beginning. Here, no need to use the beginning index of a string. Directly with the help of colon, pass the last index of a string to extract. Now it shows the output from the beginning till the last index, that is 3rd. You have passed the ending index is 3. So from the beginning 3 letters will be extracted and shown as an output using a print function. The another method of extracting the substring, that is from the end. So you can use the print function. Here you no need to specify the ending index. You can specify the beginning index separated by colon with the empty ending index, such that it shows an output from the index 4, that is 0 till the end of the string. It is going to output, because we know array starts from the index 0. So the 4th index represents O, from O, and we have not specified any ending index. So till the end of the string, it is going to display from the index 4. So this is how the slicing, that is a substring, can be extracted from the main string.